All right, this is the 2-pack of mini torch lighters, butane refillable torch lighters that arrived safely, and I just wanted to show you what you get in this. It's actually kind of a cool kit and a good looking lighter. You get 2 lighters in this decent tin. Obviously it arrived safe. They're both wrapped in plastic. I've been playing with this one. So you get the 2 lighters and you can see the size of it compared to my hand. Here it is in size comparison to like a ring battery. Has some heft to it. Feels good in my hand. It's rounded on these 4 corners and it's made out of metal. Feels pretty durable. Oh, look at that. You actually have an eye in here to tell you how much butane you have in it. That's kind of unique. I usually don't see that very often. The top just flips up and it's a push button. It's a dual flame thing. It actually works great. Hard to see with this light. So you can see we've got two flames shooting out at the same time. This little tool they've given you here serves 2 purposes. I'm not sure what this larger one is for, but this medium-sized one, you can actually adjust the flame size with this. You're gonna have to hold the flame down and turn it while it's working. It's kind of a, once you figure it out, you can do it. And this little pin right here, you can press this down and release the butane if you ever need to do that for whatever reason. Filling it up is super simple. You just take some butane, turn it upside down, and fill it up. I really like that they have that eye on the side. And once you've filled it up, pull it off, you're done. Usually after you fill it up, it takes a couple of snaps to get it to go. There it is. Awesome little set, little heft to it. I love the metal design. I love that you can read how much fluid you have in there. I love that you can adjust the flame. Very nice.